Alright, now on to part 4 of my step-by-step makeup tutorials. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how I apply my liquid highlighter. Now my absolute favorite liquid highlighter is Marc Jacobs Do You Dewdrops. So this is what that looks like. Love it. I think he has another like darker color for darker skin tones, but I love this one for me. It's a little pricey. I know ColourPop has a beautiful one. There's tons of liquid highlighters out there. Becca has some, but today I'm just gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs, and the pump is broken or something. I don't know what's happening, but so I'm just gonna kind of get some out of here. What I like to do, I put a little blop on my finger. I just like to put a little blop on my finger, and I just go evenly distribute. I'm gonna use one finger for half my face and the other finger for the other half. I'm not saying what I'm doing is the right way. I'm just saying it's what works for me, and maybe it'll work for you. So, first things first, we're gonna get the what is this called? Cheekbone. What? My brain. So, I'm just gonna do some little dots up to the forehead on the brow bone. And then I'm gonna do a little dot on the nose and a little bit going up. I also like to get some on my cupid's bow and chin. I'm just gonna go in with this little fluffy Real Techniques brush. It's like a dense fluffy brush, but I love it. I like put that way too on my lip. But anyway, I'm just gonna go in, blend that out. You just want to put this on the high points. Really blend it out because it's cream. You don't want it to be clumpy or looking a little rough. And the reason I do half my face first is so that it doesn't dry. Nose. Now to do my bridge of my nose, I just pinched my brush and go. And then blend them cheeks out. What do you think? I like to put a little bit right in those inner corners and just kind of blendy blend that in. So that is how I apply my liquid highlighter. Again, if you have any questions, please just leave them below in the comments. Thank you for watching part 4. Now click on part 5 if you want to see how I apply my concealer. The link will be below.